It's alright. This is normal after receiving your memories back. You are in shock.
So, what now?
Go back to school. Everything will go smoothly from now on. Everything will be fine. Absolutely nothing will happen to anyone at all.
Students of the Longfellow School, I'm sure as you all know, we lost a valuable student to an unknown murderer during our school picnic. The investigation is currently underway. We will find the killer soon. We will also find Ben soon, who went missing the same night.
Man, this school is not safe at all.
I know, right?
So class, today we will learn about the topic of reproduction. Implants.
Don't tell me this is your doing.
I swear I did nothing.
Well, you have to deal with it now.
How can they all escape at once?
It's all due to that kid Josh.
So, what do we now?
Need help from the whole army. Send all our enforcers too. Tell everyone in the school to evacuate.
Right, Commander.
So what were you saying about Ben?
Well, I was saying there's no need to look for him anymore.
Why is that?
Well,
What was that?
an earthquake?
Seems like something else, to be honest.
Oh no, it's them.
Them who?
No time to explain. Run. Dan. Oh no.
What the hell is happening?
No idea.
Listen closely, everyone. Your mission is to kill all the entities in the school and evacuate all the civilians.
Hey, I am the one who gives them orders.
Not now, Captain.
All right.
And remember, gather all their bodies, we can burn them. Otherwise, they will regenerate in no time.
Yes. Let's finish this together.
Yes, let's go. I will go deeper in the school to deal with entities. You evacuate people.
Wait, take this. This should come in handy.
Thank you. Why is this place so dark? Looks like the two realities are merging together. Hey boy, who are you? Josh.
You're finally here.
Yes, I am. Listen, you need to evacuate with the others immediately. Follow the soldiers. They will take you out safely.
I can't do that. I need to find Dan. The entities took him.
Okay. Take this with you. I hope you know how to shoot.
I've played airsoft.
May God save us.
Everyone, you all need to evacuate immediately. Go out through this door.
Captain, we are losing men in huge numbers.
You need to hold on until more help arrives.
What even is this place?
We are no longer at the school. I think the entity took your friend to a deeper level of this alter reality.
I hope he's okay.
Let's keep walking.
What the hell?
Shoot it.
It's not working.
You forgot to turn off safety.
My bad.
Please pay attention. If you want to find your friend, you need to show some courage.
Got it.
Good. Now let's find your friend.
Dan, wake up.
Wait, where am I?
You are with us. That's all you have to know now.
How did you get here?
I brought him here.
Who are you?
I am the apostle of this level. Put on this purgatory to punish your kind by the one and only weeping God.
What the hell are you saying?
Oops, I revealed too much. Anyhow, time to die.
Done.
Nothing is happening to it.
Your futile attempts at escaping your fate will be in vain.
Wait, I almost forgot.
I am glad you three made it out alive.
We have dealt with all the entities for good.
So, what happens now?
Now, well, I guess now we have to shut down this school for once and for all. We will make up a story to cover everything up.
I am going to miss this school.
Can someone tell me what the hell just happened? We have arrived.
Step 8. You've made it to the abandoned school.